So this is the beginning of my homemade pesto sauce. It's so easy to make, and if you're growing basil in your garden, and if you're lucky enough to grow garlic, for some reason or other we can't, then make it yourself. So all I put in mine is some parmesan cheese, a big bunch of basil, all the leaves broken off the stem, a bit of salt, and I'll be adding a clove of garlic, a nice big clove of garlic, and some olive oil just to keep binding it all. I also add some pine nuts. I just slightly toast the pine nuts, it gives them much nicer flavour, and the whole pesto sauce just sings with toasted pine nuts. I do sterilise the jar before I put the pesto in here. It's always best to heat up the jar just with some hot water before you pour boiling water into it, otherwise the jar will crack if it's cold. And in no time at all, you have pesto sauce. It smells divine and tastes really good, and is wonderful with pasta. Or what I like to do is make a pesto potato salad, and all you have to do is get some little potatoes, boil them up, and add the pesto to some good quality mayonnaise, mix it together, and there's your pesto potato salad. Enjoy!